Hi, my name is Janice. I'm a patient of Dr. Parsons. Before I saw Dr. Parsons, I'd seen some doctors on my knees. My knees were bone on bone with spurs, arthritis in both my knees. My alternatives were shots every 3 months. I had pool therapy, I had regular therapy. They wouldn't do surgery on me because my BMI was higher than 40, and they would not do the surgery. Finally, a friend of mine told me about Dr. Parsons. Went to see Dr. Parsons, and without hesitation, he agreed to do the surgery. He replaced my knees. I followed his instructions to the letter. I'm 3 weeks post-op. I'm able to walk around with no pain. Now, the first week after surgery, I had to use a walker. Second week, I used a cane, and now I'm walking around with either. I'm soon to have my other knee replaced, and I highly recommend anyone who is in the same predicament as I was, contact Dr. Parsons. He's wonderful. Thank you.